Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the time on your Toyota Corolla. First, locate the setup or menu button on your car's infotainment screen. If your Corolla has a simpler display, look for small H and M buttons near the clock itself. Always make sure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is off or in accessory mode before you begin adjusting any settings. This ensures your full attention is on the task. Once you've accessed the settings, navigate through the options until you find clock or time settings. Select this option to proceed. You will then see an option to adjust the hour. Use the on-screen arrows or the physical H button to move the hour forward or backward. Be sure to pay attention to AM or PM if your clock uses a 12-hour format, ensuring accuracy. With the hour correctly set, it's time to adjust the minutes. Select the minute option, which is usually found right after the hour setting. Use the on-screen arrows or the physical M button to precisely set the minutes. Take your time to ensure the minutes are exact, as even a small discrepancy can be inconvenient. Double-check that the time reflects your current time zone accurately. Finally, take a moment to review the entire displayed time, including the hour, minutes, and AM or PM indicator. Once you are certain everything is correct, look for a Set, OK, or Enter button on the screen or dashboard. Press this button to save your new time settings. Your Toyota Corolla's clock should now be perfectly synchronized, ready for your next journey. Enjoy your accurately timed drives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.